Ariana kepa tōku ingoa, I tipu au I rāhui pōkeka, taku taha o tōku kui no Pātia ahau. We definitely need more services for mental health. Well, just an experience of looking after rangatahi Māori, we definitely don't have much support around them. I've worked alongside secondary schools and they struggle a lot to not have that kind of service for their mental health, especially while they're at kura, becoming teenagers. They find it really hard to talk, express, turn to anyone that understands what they're going through. And it'll be nice to have that wraparound support for them to feel comfortable and be able to, you know, talk at least, because a lot of our tamariki don't. And I feel like that's real bad for a lot of our tama. Why? Because I have 3 boys and they struggle heaps to be able to talk. Not just because we're their parents, but just because they hit a certain age in their life and they've got no one to turn to. And so there's only so much you can do as whānau, but if they're not around us families and they're out in the big world, they need to have that wraparound support everywhere they go. And I feel like Aotearoa doesn't provide that for them.